So hello and welcome everyone. In this small clip, I will give you a walkthrough of this website named as sportyPhy. sportyPhy is a website which connects like-minded people having similar interests in sports living in close proximity so that they can come and team up together and have a physical match being played in a nearby ground. So let's suppose a new user comes and he has to register. So I will register using email, so 127@gmail.com. So here the user will enter his email and it will click on send OTP. So OTP will be sent to this email. So let's check the OTP has arrived or not. So refresh this. Yes, so the OTP has come. So this is the OTP. I will copy it and I will paste it here and I will verify the OTP. So the OTP verification is done. So I will now register myself. So I will enter a unique username. So I don't know like username this is unique or not. So let me try with some username. So yeah, this same thing I will use as the password. So let me try to sign up, but it will give an error because this kind of username is already exists. So I have to give a unique username. So yeah, I have written a unique username and in some time it will sign you up. So now this user is a new user to this website and he has to update his interests. Let's suppose he plays badminton and cricket. So he will update his details. So details is updated and he can update his location. So he will click on this location and automatically his location, latitudes, longitudes will be picked up by the backend. And as a result, what will happen? That will be taken as a center for this user, his particular location. And depending on the X kilometer radius, he can find the groups which are there having, let's say he plays badminton and cricket. So what are the groups in nearby locality who like having players playing cricket and badminton? Who are the users who play cricket and badminton? That will be shown up to him very easily. So that's why we have used the concept of location in this website. So yeah, this is the account, the profile page of this website. Now let's say this user wants to play a game. So he will go to this room section, the room button of the web, navbar, and here he will be landed to this page. This page contains the various cards showing the various games that are like various players play this kind of games through this website. So let's say he likes cricket, so he will select the cricket tag and the cricket room he can search for. He will click here, and depending on X amount of radius, so he can filter out which other rooms are there. So let's say these are the rooms. So yes, 90 kilometers. This room also came movie night. So all these various like rooms are there, and he can join. Let's say he will join this room, and yeah, this is the room that he has not joined. Now this has got 9 members. This is created by Anshu. So he's the admin over here, and this room has a public visibility because this user was a new user to this website, and he hasn't got any invitation for this room to join. It was a public room, so it was visible to him, and he just joined this. And this is the code for this room to like anyone whom I want to send the invitation. So I can copy this code, I can send this code to that person. There is something else also we have included, like invite users by event, which I will be showing shortly. So yeah, so this is the group that where various people are there who plays cricket and they can chat with themselves. So let's suppose this is the chat section. So you can see these are the old chats that were there. So here I can write, hello, anyone wants to play a match. So I will just send this and this will be sent. Let's see from another account. So this is Anshu's profile. Now he will go to this room section and he will search for the cricket, the number of rooms. So yeah, this room is there. So he will enter. He has already joined this room, so that was the enter option was there. So he will chat with members. So recently see the message that the other user gave. So it was hello, anyone wants to play a match. So he will say that yes, I am there. So yeah, he will then send it and this message is sent. Let's check the other website too. Yes, Anshu, yes. So socket we have included in this. So that's why real-time chat application is also possible. So this is what the rooms are all about. So you can not only go to any rooms, you can search for user. So you can search a user by distance. So in this 50-kilometer radius, these are all the various users. So let's say I will go to this user, Anshu Joshi's profile, and yes, I can see his posts. So what are his interests? So he also plays badminton there. So I can then send a request to this user. So I will send a request to this user, and the request will be sent to this user, right? So I can then be friends with them. Not only that, we can also search user by name. So let's say if there was any old friend of mine, I want to check that this user existed here or not. So I will check his name. So yeah, that also user is also there. So I will go to his profile and I can also connect with that user too. So I will send a request to this user and a request will be sent to that user. So I can then connect with him later when he accepts my request. Now this was the rooms part. Now coming to the main like social media web part of our website, where like this part will be used for wherever if you want to, like let's say you want to celebrate, like you have played a match and you have won it. I want to celebrate it. Like what's better than not to like just let everyone know. So I will just select a random image. Uh, this this ball was lucky for me today. Won the match. So I will write like this and I will create a post, and a post will be created and that will be visible to others. So yes, that is my post. And if I go like this is my post, so if any other user can also view it. So that's how I can create a post. And then after that, this page will also be used for, let's say, any a shop who wants to sell sports items. So they want some exposure, like they want some target audience, and their target audience is just here in this website itself with us. So we will charge some lump sum amount from them, and as a result of that, they will be allowed to create a post of their shop. They can sell their, like, create an advertisement in one word. They can create an advertisement and they can send the post over here, which will be sent to each and every user. Each and every user will get that post, and that's how the advertisement will be, and our website will be earning money. The next perspective is the buy and sell perspective of our website. So here you can come and you can see various other products which are up for sale by other users. So I can send a mail to any one of them. So let's say I like this volleyball, and this is someone else, like some other person is there. So who has posted this volleyball is up for sale. So let's say I will contact him. So I will click on this contact button, and a message will be sent to that person. So let's see whether there is the mail is went or not. So yes, so new message. So the message is this thing, the volleyball, that was a price this, the description of this. So that person who has this M127, the new user, he wants to like buy this particular item from him. So he can give a mail to this person, and they can further talk in offline mode, and they can buy and sell products among them. Now let us come into the sell part. So let's suppose this user wants to sell an item. So he will add an item. Let's suppose a jersey, good quality jersey, category it's a football. So, and let's suppose a price, and he will then choose a jersey picture and he wants to upload it. So now he has to pay. So he has to pay some amount. So it is 1,500. The website is charging 10% on that payment. So he has to pay an amount of 1,500, 150 to us, 10% of 1,500. So you have to pay to us. So it's a rough card. So I will just go and reserve a card. So I will just use any fake card to do the process now. So otherwise, if you add, like, this is completely functional. So I will just play now. So pay without this thing, and yeah. So I will just update it using Bank's page, and I will just click on success. So this was a demo thing, so that's why. Otherwise, if you enter valid credentials, the payment will be actually received, and you will be taken to this thing. So it was like a football thing. So football, yes. So this person, this user has this thing. So just posted this jersey, so that has come here. And here you can check cricket. In cricket, these are the things. Basketball, these are the things. Volleyball, these are the things. So these are the buy and sell aspects of our website. Now coming to the profile page over here. This user, if likes, let's say he wants to create his own room, so he will create his own room. Let's say a badminton room. So badminton room, and let's say any description. So I will just put the same as the description. Public, I can change the visibility as public or private. I can make it badminton. Let's say I will choose a DP for the group. So I can choose a badminton. So okay, so I will just modify this thing, and I will update the details. And in some time, the room will be created. Yes, the room is created, and you can see the rooms in the badminton section over here. So the whatever the room that you have created, it will come here. So yeah, the room is coming here, and currently you are the only member over here. Now you can invite user. Let's suppose I want to invite this user person model. So I want to invite this. So I will send a send invite to this person. So invitation has been sent to this user. Let's check whether the invitation has went or not. So yes, the invitation was there. So yeah. So this was the invitation. So these are the steps that he has to follow. So this code he will copy, and he will paste it, like he has to log in, register, and do all these things. So let us log in or register. So I will, this was Anshu's profile, so I will log out from here, and I will log in with Prasoon credential, and yeah. So here, what are the next steps? So after login, I have to go to the invitation tab in the root section, click on search for users. Okay. Over here, I have to search for user, and I have to paste my link here, whatever the link was sent to me via, whatever the code was sent to me via the this thing. So I will paste it there, and I will join this room. So yeah, the room is there, and I will join. Click on join. So immediately the two users. So now that one was another user, and this one is another user. So both of them are there in this group. So now we can like chat with them. Hello. So if I just check it there, so yeah, here also chat. So that user. So that hi. So normal chatting can be done. So it was invitation, sending by invitation, right? And yeah, so this is pretty much the website. So, and here you can see the post that is created by this user. So these are the various posts that you can create, and they can just, others can view your post and all that things. This user has 2 friends. So if I go here and manage friends, so these are the friends. Let's say I want to remove this friend, so I will click on this remove. So yeah, this friend will be removed from my friend list. And yeah, this is pretty much the entire website. I hope this website was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.